Hello, so I am going to teach you today how to create a blog. Today, what we're going to do is we're going to help set up a blog for you that you're going to keep up over the course of our time together. And so what I want you to do is I want you to type the word blogger, Blogger, into your Google search. And what you're going to see is you're going to see this. So we're looking for blogger.com, create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy. So go ahead and click on that right now, please. It's just taking a minute. Now, this shows up for me, but it's not going to be quite that easy for you. You're actually going to have to sign in. I want you to make sure you sign in using your Google account for school. Okay, so here are the basic directions for you right here. You're going to sign into Blogger, and then I can teach you the rest. Okay, so you're going to make sure that you sign into Blogger the same way you would sign up for anything, but please make sure that you use your Google account. So once you're all set, you're going to see this right here. And what we want to do together is we want to create a new blog. Okay, so you're going to click this little down arrow right here, like this right here. It says the name of one of my blogs because I have a few. But what you want to do is you want to create a new blog. So you're going to scroll all the way down. Your button might even say new blog. You're going to click on new blog. And then whatever it is that you're going to name your blog, that's what you're going to type here. So for example, let's just say that this blog is going to be Crazy Creative Writers 2020. All right. So that's going to be the title of my blog. And so now what I need right here is I need to create a blog space. Now, really, all I have to do, or what I can do, is I can take whatever the title is of my piece, so this Crazy Creative Writers 2020, and I can try that to see if that domain is taken, because it's going to create a space for me. So I'm just going to try to repeat my title right here. And then I have to pick the kind of blog that I want. Do I want contemporary, Soho, Emporio, dynamic views, simple, notable, and there are a few more down here. So what I'm going to choose to go with today is this ethereal blog. So I'm going to click on it, and then I'm going to say create blog. Just going to wait a minute, let it do whatever it's going to do. Okay, so find a domain name for your blog and connect it instantly. Okay, we'll say search, I guess. So we'll see what it decides to do here. This is actually a new feature for me, so I'm not really sure what it's doing. Okay, so it's been turned off from my organization, including your account. Okay, so this is not something you can do, so you can just say no thanks. You might as well not even try, because if it's turned off for me, I'm sure it's turned off for you. And so then the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to work with our blog. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to say view blog. Let's see what it has going so far. Okay, so what it has here, right, is it has a little bio about me. So one of the first things that I think I would like you to work on is actually creating your bio. Okay, so I'm just going to ask you to take a minute right now to get a pencil and paper, or it might be even smarter, right, to just use your Google Chromebook. Go into your Google Docs, and what I want you to do is I'd like you to type up a 100-word biography of yourself. This can be creative, it can be professional, it should definitely reflect your personality, because anyone that reads your blog, you want them to connect with you and to want to read your blog. Make sure that your picture that you choose to use is school appropriate, and make sure it reflects the person that you want your audience to see. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to log off, and your assignment today then is to just in a Google Doc to write your biography for your blog. Again, I want this to be 100 words, your own words. It should reflect who you are in a creative way, and it should also include a picture that is appropriate for the kind of blog that you want to start. You have a lot of different options for your blog. We'll talk more about those later. Otherwise, I maybe already did discuss those options for you in the directions ahead. So keep all of that in mind, or in the directions before. So keep all of that in mind when you're creating your blog. Okay, I will see you soon.